guys, welcome back and welcome back to multiplication. So today we're going to go ahead and get started, or review if you came to school on Monday. We're going to go ahead and jump back into multiplication. There is a homework helper sheet on page 175 in your Eureka Succeed book. And it goes ahead and reviews the strategies that we have learned. We learned how to use, what's this called again? An array. Yeah, we learned how to use an array to write a multiplication sentence. This one's just written backwards. They give you the product first and then the two factors. Remember, we also know the commutative property. Flipping the factors, that's our commutative property. So 7 times 3 is the same as 3 times 7. The commutative property can also be written out. 6 3s and 3 6s is the same thing. Here it is again, and then one more time. 6 2s plus 2 2s would be the same as saying, what is this? How many 2s? 6 2s and 2 2s would be the same as 8 2s, 8 times 2. Okay, we'll practice this a little bit more in the assignment today. So turn your books to page 177. 177 is lesson 1, and this is the beginning of module 3. All right, here we go. I'm going to get you started, and then you're going to go ahead and complete what we don't get done. Please remember to pause the video at any time. Also remember, you have your multiplication table at home. So pause the video right now if you need to find this. This is going to help you do your count bys. All right. Put your name on your piece of paper. And it says complete the charts below. A tricycle has 3 wheels. What number do you think we're going to count by for number 1A? Yep, we're going to count by 3s for the total number of wheels. So here's the number of tricycles, 3 tricycles. If each tricycle has 3 wheels, how many wheels does 3 tricycles have? You know your 3 song. So we need to count by 3s how many times? 3 times. 3, 6, 9, and we can look on our multiplication chart as well. 3, 6, 9, right? 3 tricycles with 3 wheels. So we would write 9. How many tricycles would have 12 wheels? Let's use our count by chart. Here's our 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. If we go back over, how many tricycles would have 12 wheels? 4. How many wheels would 5 tricycles have? Are you noticing a pattern? 3, 4, 5. What number do you think is going to go here? 6. All right, now let's finish our number of wheels. 5 tricycles would have how many wheels? Well, we have to count by 3 5 times. So we could say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Did I count by 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times? I did. 15 wheels. 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 3 more is 15, plus 3 more is 18. What's 18 plus 3 more? Let's think about that. Count on. 19, 20, 21. So this is the same as saying 3 times 3 equals 9. Because remember, a tricycle has how many wheels? 3. There's 4 tricycles now. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 3 is 21. Let's look at part B. A tiger has how many legs? 4 legs. So how many tigers would have 20 legs? How many tigers would have 20 legs? Tiger has 4 legs, so we're counting by 4s. When we count by 4s, what's our rule? Did you remember? Double the double? Yeah, so we start with 4. Use your multiplication chart here if you need to. Here's your count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. There's 20 legs. How many tigers would that be? 5. 5 and 4, 5 times 4, they meet at 20. So 5 tigers would have 20 legs. Good. You're going to go ahead and complete the last 2 charts. You know how to count by 4s. If you don't, you have your multiplication chart. Part C, you're counting by 5s. I know you know how to count by 5s. Let's do the first one together, just in case. A package has 5 erasers. If there are 6 packages, how many total erasers would there be? So we're going to count by 5s. How many times? 6 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Let's check our multiplication chart. Here's 5, here's 6. Where do they meet? They meet at 30. Great job. Pause the video, complete those 2 charts. All right, I bet you did fabulously. Remember, it's just counting by the number that they're telling you to. Now we're looking at the arrays, and we're going to write 2 multiplication facts for each array. So we're going to use the commutative property. Pay attention because your product is going to go first. So this is going to be the product. Product is another word for total. And here are going to be your 2 factors. All right. So how many total do I have? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could count by 4s. I could count by 6s. Either way would work, right? Let's try counting by 4s. 4, 8. What comes next? 12, 16, 20, 24. So 24 is going to be my product. And remember, it's the same for both problems because my total doesn't change. My product is the same. Now, what are my 2 factors? What did I say? How many are in this column right here? How many are in this column? 4. And how many are in this row? 6. For my second multiplication fact, I'm simply going to flip my factors. My 6 comes first, and then my 4. Go ahead, pause the video, complete the next array. Remember, your product goes first, and then your factors. All right. The last 2 things they're going to ask us to do, the last 2 tasks. The first one is matching the expressions. Expression is just another word for the math sentence, right? 3 times 6. So we're going to kind of draw a line here so we can think about there's 2 different columns. We have to match 1 on this side with 1 on this side. Is 3 times 6 the same as saying 7 3s? No. Let's see. 3 times 6. Which one would be the same? Commutative property, 6 times 3. All they did is flip the factors. 3 times 6 equals 18. 6 times 3 also equals 18. Good. 3 7s. 7 3s. Are my factors flipped? 3 times 7, right? 7 times 3. Yeah. Good. Pause the video. Complete number 3. All right. Here is the last set of tasks. Number 4, complete the equations. Equation is just that word for math sentences. 2 6s equals how many 2s? Well, here we said 3 7s equals 7 3s. 2 6s equals how many 2s? 6 2s. Good. Let's look at B. Blank times 6 equals 6 3s. Well, we see they already used the 6. The other number that they wrote out is 3. And what does 3 times 6 equal? 3 6s. It's the same as 6 plus 6 plus 6, or you can sing your 3 song. It equals 18. Good. Your task is to finish number 4 as well. If you get stuck, that's okay. You can ask me about it in class. You got this. Good luck.